Alright guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we're going to be looking at how to resize individual letters if, let's say, your font does not have a standard size between all the letters. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we upload training videos daily, so you can just keep an eye there for new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, as you can see here, the X in this text is a bit larger than the rest, and you do get some of these fonts that the letters are not consistent in size. So sometimes, you want this more consistent. Sometimes it's nice, you're going for that stylized effect. But let's say in this case, you actually want all these letters the same size. Now, instead of breaking this apart and individually scaling it, there's a quick way we can do that. First of all, select your text, and then I would recommend make a copy of it. So I'm just going to go Control C, Control Shift V to paste it in place. Hide the back one, and then we select this one again. Then under our text options, which can be found here on the right text properties panel, we want to go here to sizing. By default on the standard, then we have here fixed height or fixed height proportional. Fixed height will kind of stretch your stuff, so it's a similar height, where I would recommend, in my case, go fixed height proportional. But I'll show you both. So fixed height, as you can see now, the text is a bit more distorted than what it was. And then if I just undo this, and then let's go to fixed height proportional, you can see it scales in, unfortunately, but text is now same size. But as you can see, this X is still lower than the rest of the letters. So how we can address this, unfortunately, after you do this, you will have to, it's a more destructive way of editing, so the text will no longer be editable, or will become shapes. So to do that, we want to ungroup this. So you can either hit Control Shift G as a shortcut, or we right click here, go to ungroup, or we go on top here to object, and then you navigate to ungroup. And once it's ungrouped, as we can see in our layers panel here on the right now, it is all in one group. So what you want to do, I see actually all these little letters are still text. So, I stand corrected, you can still edit the text. So in any case, what you want to do is select all these shapes with Shift. So click and select all of them. Then we want to go to our styles and our style, position and size properties. Will be those little arrows here on the right. And then with everything selected, we want to go align vertical and then here to the middle. You could go also the bottom, but if you click that, then as you can see now our text is actually all aligned, which is it's a bit of a slip, should I say, to fix a font, but it is definitely the most, in my opinion, the best way to do it, where it's kind of like you have a lot of freedom, and it's you don't have to manually sit there and adjust sizes till it looks right. This will do it for whatever is in the text selected, so it saves you a lot of time. But otherwise, if we head here to vinylcut.co.za, our program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, if we go to softwaretraining.co.za, and like I mentioned at the intro video, we do have a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search if you don't want to manually go through the list. And then if you don't find what you're looking for, you can also go here, request a training video, and fill in the mini form, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.